Everyone, hope you're doing well. It is 9:32 on Friday. Made it to Friday. Ash is still asleep at the moment. Like I said, she's got a nail appointment later. I've just put the dogs out. Louie's outside. Roxy's back in already. Just put a English muffin in the toaster. But I need to edit yesterday and the last 2 days vlogs, even though it's going to be very short, even put together, it's not long because there wasn't much chit chat. Anyway, I hope everyone has a wonderful Friday and we'll touch base with you soon. Okay guys, Ash just had her lovely nails done. She went with the black and then she laughed because she said, oh, Valentine's Day I'm going to have black nails.
Anti-Valentine's Day.
Anti. But I think they look good. So we're just going to run in the diner for a cheap breakfast and then go do our errands because Ash hasn't had a bite of anything, have you?
Nope.
Nope. But we're here on delivery day. There's Ray's and FedEx. Oh. Didn't mean to click video, but here you go guys, clouds. We decided just to come and have a look. At the seagulls. The birds go flying.
Should we drive? I'm nursing.
Yeah. Just want to get one picture of the...
Not Westchester, like everyone says, or Shenorock.
Shenorock.
Shenorock. Isn't it Shenorock?
Shenrock.
Oh, I thought it was Shenorock.
Oh, now I don't know. This was my drive to work every day, and it's so beautiful in the summer. We'll come back down so you can see. I absolutely loved working at this club. Worked here 4.5 years as a nanny when I first came over to New York, and then worked here after I got married for 11.5 years. Still in touch with a lot of people that I worked with, and we still consider each other the nursing family. And then my daughter worked here for 2 summers, and now my niece worked here for the last summer. I don't know if she's coming back. This is where we used to hang out a lot and spend many hours, 68, 70-hour weeks working here, but what a view. So guys, you heard the story that when I was pregnant with Ashley, this place got demolished from a really bad nor'easter, December 1992. We had to walk from this club all the way up to the back across the parking lot to the little apartment building where we were there for 24 hours until the flooding subsided and we could get out. Scary times. Okay, now we're going past the club next to us, and this is Kirby Lane, which also got terribly flooded, but beautiful homes along the way and a great view. I hope you're doing well. It is 9:10. Just watched Big Brother. You know, I've not really been into the celebrity Big Brother. I forget it's on. I forgot it was on tonight, just happened to be flicking through the channels. And I watched it, and I'm just like, ugh, these guys. I will watch to see who wins, but I'm not really bothered who wins, to be honest with you, at this point. My favourites went way in the beginning, but it just turned into one of those shows. I don't know. They get too much. They can tweet, they can do this, they can do that. I know the only thing is they haven't been outside in 21 days, but anyway, I am going to leave you for this evening. I hope everybody had a brilliant, brilliant Friday. Whatever it is you did today, I hope it was a good one, and we will definitely see you tomorrow. Good night.